every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to give me two
When you are pregnant, hello guys, welcome to the channel. Guys, it has not been easy. I just parked here. I'm waiting to pick my husband up. I drove from the house, and when I was coming, guys, I got to the traffic light, and my baby was stretching, like, you see that kind of thing. It was so painful. I said, oh my God, what am I going to do? And I started having cramps, like slight cramps beneath my pelvic area. I was saying, God, this is why they said you can't drive when you're pregnant. Like, you can drive, but you can't drive when you got to certain stage. Yeah. My gum. This one, I'm drinking my smoothie. I've already eaten in the morning, and it's now 12:44. So now I'm eating like crazy. I eat a lot. I'll just post a student are moving around, moving around. Yeah. Can you see them? Yeah. The journey of becoming a mom is a full tax, guys. It's a full job on its own. Especially the first trimester. It's always tedious, but we thank God that my husband called me that I have to come to a certain road, that he was moving with his friends, so they went to the other side, so I have to just go there. So let's go, okay? Because here is a campus where you are driving, you need to be very, very careful. A lot of stop sign and them things. So you need to stop for students. You need to also, now who is going? Okay, because students are crossing, we can't move. You have to wait for them. I don't know what's going on. My baby boy. I'll be so guys, see, I was just using the back view to video, not knowing that it didn't do. See, I don't know whether I'm the only one that don't like using back view, but people are saying you should video from the back. It makes the video nice, but I don't like the fact that you video and you go back and you see that you have done cost 90 work, like your head is down. So my husband has come and we are now going. I just hope this thing is video. How do you guys do back view camera? Back view video, I'm not used to that. I'm always used to the front view so that I can see myself. I know that it is recording, especially when I'm holding the camera. Whatever.
Yeah.
Show daddy blue.
Show me blue. Pick blue for me. Give me the blue.
Blue.
Give me blue. I want blue. Give me blue.
Okay.
Wow.
Good.
Good
Put it
boy.
here. Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand.
Okay.
Yeah, put it here. And give me yellow. I want yellow.
Okay.
Yeah, give me yellow.
Okay.
Yeah. Put it there.
Good boy. Wow.
Okay. Then I want red. Give me red.
Okay.
Wow.
Then give me white.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Clap
Bravo.
for Kayla. Bravo. Everybody
Bravo.
clap for Kayla.
Bravo.
Good job, baby.
That's perfect.
Yeah, you know colors, right? Wow. Then we have to buy colors that, I will check soon.
Now at least so we have a fantastic here. Yeah, there's 5 days.
Mommy.
So
Oh, say thank you, Mommy.
is that black?
Mommy, put it down.
Okay.
Hey, guys, our baby boy can identify colors. See, and he picked this thing, arranging the colors.
Show me green.
You see, this is
Green.
you see. Guys, so you see,
Brown.
it's always
Which one
good.
is orange? Show me
See,
orange.
when you are pregnant,
Orange. Which one is orange?
that myth is always true. Whenever you are
Orange.
pregnant,
No.
I think
Orange.
you need to eat.
No.
You need to eat good,
Orange.
especially
No.
fruits,
Red.
fruits and vegetables.
No. No.
So we are getting
Green.
it ready for school.
No.
Brown.
No.
White.
No.
Which color?
No. No.
Purple.
No.
Kayla.
No.
Minama.
No.
Yeah. Which one is that? Black.
Hey, Daddy.
Which one is black? Is this black? Is this black? Show me black.
No. No. I don't.
Eggs. Chicken.
Didn't.
Banana.
Nana. Dada.
Apple.
Oppo.
Strawberry.
Bada.
Blueberry.
Blue bada.
Banana.
And Nana.
Pawpaw.
Baba.
Papaya.
Baba.
Spinach.
Dida. Dida.
Broccoli.
Dida.
Broccoli.
Up.
What kind of broccoli?
Broccoli.
Daddy.
Cucumber.
Baba.
What kind of cucumber?
Cucumber.
Dada.
Yeah. Bravo.
Bravo! Clap for Kayla.
Yeah. This is commenting, so we don't need to clap for you, eh?
Ah.
Let's brush your teeth, okay? Brushing teeth is a war in this house. So I brought this. I have to brush his teeth. So talk to you guys when we are done, okay?
Yeah. This is what he's doing. Today, no cry, nothing. He came peacefully, yeah. Entered the room by himself.
You see this boy here? You are showing them your feet.
Go like that to
Guys, you see this boy? We are going to school. Clean your nose. Take it and clean your nose. See, he has removed his shoe, like his socks and his shoe. And you are showing it to me while we are running late, Kayla. See his shoe over there. See the socks and see one socks over there. When am I? Why? I'll be running late. I just say like it's a free day because they will school no with Marco anytime. Wear your socks. Pick it and wear it. You will not wear it. You will go to school and meet your friends. They will laugh at you. You want your friends to laugh at you? Yeah, let me laugh at myself. Really?
I love you. Yeah. Yeah, he was.
Okay, baby.
Yeah.
Aww. Really interactive. Really, Kelly? You have a new friend there?
Wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me.
Caleb,
I was.
who are you talking to?
October 20. Roll register. He's on the back.
Wow.
Dad.
Wow, Nino is standing.
Dad.
Nino should eat your bread. And Lily Pope and her husband, they like this couple videos and things. And sometimes they are very real. That is what is happening in their marriage, and they will come out and do. I like how